The Jeep Compass 2026 is finally here, and it is rewriting the SUV playbook. But is this just another update or a revolution that will shock the entire segment? In this walk-around, we reveal bold exterior changes, luxury inside, powerful engines, and a price you will not believe. But wait until you see the interior because it changes everything you thought about the Compass. At first sight, the Compass 2026 looks sharper and bolder than ever. The redesigned grille gives it a futuristic identity, while the wider stance adds confidence. Sleek LED matrix headlights carve through the night with a striking signature. Stay tuned because the exterior story is only the beginning, and the details reveal just how ambitious Jeep has become. From the profile, you notice sculpted lines that feel modern and athletic. Large alloy wheels and bold arches remind you of its rugged DNA, while still keeping elegance alive. The rear showcases futuristic taillights and a sportier bumper that elevate its road presence. But wait, the biggest shock is still hidden inside, where Jeep completely changes the game. Step inside, and the transformation feels dramatic. The Jeep Compass 2026 cabin no longer feels like an ordinary SUV. It is wrapped in premium materials, advanced technology, and futuristic style that rivals luxury brands. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and the driver cockpit feels immersive. Coming next, we uncover features that will leave you speechless. A massive digital display dominates the dashboard with seamless infotainment that connects instantly to your life. Leather seating with contrast stitching creates both luxury and sportiness. Rear passengers enjoy extra space, while cargo flexibility makes it practical. But wait until you see how ambient lighting, smart storage, and a premium sound system turn every trip into a lounge experience. The Compass 2026 is not just design and comfort. Under the hood, it offers hybrid options, turbocharged engines, and electric-ready versions depending on market. Jeep blends tradition with innovation by offering both power and efficiency. Stay tuned, because performance numbers will surprise you and prove this SUV is more than style. On the road, the Compass 2026 feels sharper and more confident. Improved suspension delivers smooth stability, while new steering systems add precision. Off-road, the legendary Jeep DNA shines with advanced traction control. The hybrid system brings instant torque, making city drives effortless. But wait, the real shock is how refined it feels, even at highway speeds rivaling luxury SUVs. Now let us talk about the part that shocks everyone. The Jeep Compass 2026 comes with a price point that delivers more value than expected. Packed with technology and luxury, it challenges rivals from Europe and Japan. Stay tuned, because the value offered here may disrupt the entire SUV market and make competitors rethink their strategy. The Jeep Compass has always balanced rugged roots with modern design. Since its first release, it has evolved, step by step, but the 2026 model marks a turning point. It respects Jeep's off-road heritage while embracing futuristic luxury and advanced technology. Do not miss how this legacy connects past strength with a bold new direction. The Jeep Compass 2026 is more than a new SUV. It is a bold leap forward in design, performance, technology, and value. The real shock is how much luxury you get for the price. If you love SUVs, do not miss what is coming next. Hit subscribe so you will never miss an update. Share this with car lovers and stay tuned for more reviews of the world's most exciting cars.